How to download Blackman Go on Android. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download Blackman Go on Android. Downloading Blackman Go on Android is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate and tap on the Google Play Store app. Search for Blackman Go. In the search bar, type Blackman Go and press enter. Select the game. Find Blackman Go in the search result. It should be published by Blackman Go Studio. Download the game. Tap on the install button and the game will begin downloading and installing on your device. Blackman Go is a multiplayer sandbox game that allows players to create, explore and share their own mini games. It features a blocky art style similar to Minecraft, offering a variety of game modes including battle royale, parkour and role-playing games. Open the game. Once installed, you can open the game directly from the Play Store by tapping open, or you can find the Blackman Go icon on your home screen or app drawer. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can download Blackman Go on Android. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.